Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Minnie. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Hope you stay and enjoy my content. So guys, apparently a storm is coming. Whether a storm or a hurricane, it is coming to Jamaica. Maybe not track it and all of that. So storm is coming. At first, me did take it for joke. Honestly, at first me did take it for joke until me just see them post say school close. So today is Wednesday. Tomorrow school close across the island. So I really just know me kind of take it serious and say, yo, storm really they come. So you know say a preparation now for storm and all of that. You know say like go gone, water goodly gone and all of them things there. I have 3 drums. I don't have no tank, but I have 3 drums around the back full with water. So if water gone, I'm good. But if light gone now, you know, so the things in my freezer I go spoil and probably, things in my fridge go spoil. So what I do, I take out all of the meat them I have in the freezer. I have them a thaw out now. What I'm going to do, I try season up everything and back them up back. So if light gone, I have the things them just can just cook out. If they not spoil. I don't know how long. If light figure, I don't know how long light go gone. I don't know how long then go serve and all of that. But I just want to be prepared. Also, I need some lights. Like I need to get the big bright lights. I need to get some of that. I need to get power bank. I not have no power bank. I need to get power bank. You know, so I'm go put on credit on my phone. What else? I have things can cook. I have enough tin things can cook and all of that. Probably just need a bread. I need one more bread. What else? I have 3 big buckle of drinking water. And I don't know if I'm me alone. I don't know, I just feel excited. I don't want to talk, but I kind of like hurricane or storm, you know. Even though, I don't know, I just like the excitement. Even though a natural disaster, it can do damages and all of that, but I just get excited when I hear about them something here. Let me know in the comments if me and you are the same. But as I say, I have to prepare yourself because, and then this Melissa, she moves slow. She's moving so slow, like you don't know which direction she ahead. So you know, so we have to look out at we 2 eye them and kind of the track and exactly know what they go on with this storm. But as I say, me did I take it for joke until me see them say no school now keep, and me I say, boy, storm really a come. But it's not really a joke, and a joke none at all. I hope everybody stay safe. Hope everybody really prepared for this storm/hurricane. I don't know. I hope everybody keep safe. I hope do no damage like what Beryl did do. Like Beryl did do some real damages up like St. Elizabeth and Clarendon and them places there. But I hope this not really do no damage. So I hope everybody stay safe. I hope everybody have enough food, enough supplies and all of them things there to keep us during this storm. But we have to get yourself prepared. May I prepare myself as well. So let's see.
So many reasons why I want for you, my love. Now you I want to retire with my love. See I give you good things you.
Alright guys, so I'm ready. I'm going on the road right now just to get a few things like battery, like the lights and the power bank and a few more things. So I'm taking you guys along with me just to see what's happening on the road here in Montego Bay. And if we can go to a supermarket, just see what inside, like how in a supermarket look, if the shelves are empty and all of them something there. So we're gonna make una see that, and yeah, let's see what's taking place for this storm on the road. Like if nobody are prepared, I mean, not everybody are prepared themselves, you know, but we go see if we can capture few things to show you guys what's happening here in Montego Bay. Right now it's sunny, sun hot, even though it look like rain go fall, but right now sun hot. As you can see, me all a sweat and all of that. Right now it's 2:12. I think it's like 11:50 something to 12 in the afternoon. So no rain here, but me know say rain there like Portland, St. Thomas and them place there. Me know say rain did it from last night. Rain did fall before there this morning, but I never nothing. It wasn't long and it wasn't hard like it storm nothing. But me know say down at Portland and them place there, them a get it rain right now when Mobile sun hot. But let's go on the road to see what's happening. People, the whole place jam up, bumper to bumper, everywhere jam up. Machine them now work. I come on a different machine now to see if it go work. But a bare traffic. No rain now fall it, you know. But you know, so everybody run out because they want to prepare for the storm. But bare traffic, may I tell you, say traffic. And this a machine that now work. Yes, I almost drove this. It's a machine that now work. This is a second machine. Oh my god. Girl.
No, you want go?
Much for it? Much for this? Alright guys, I just reached home and downtown, in town, it jam up. Like everybody I try get stuffs for prepare for Melissa. No ATM now work. The card machines in the supermarket or in the arbadash them not working. The ATM when I go do only one side of the machine did work and it did take slow. So I just hurry up and drop my money and come out because in town a chaos in town. Traffic and everybody I try to get up them things and I prepare for this time. I don't know when this time I come to the Thursday. Them did say Thursday, now me here like tomorrow or over the weekend. So let's see. But I bought a power bank. This was for 2,500 for the power bank here. Then I charge it up. Even though I charge up, I still have to charge it up same way. So this is how it looks. You can stick on your phone and it have the different charging something you can use, like if you iPhone, Android and some other little things. So I have my power bank ready and I also bought a light. Then this is a LED light, rechargeable LED light. So say more of the things them for bright, more of the light for bright. Them have solar light, but I never really buy the solar light because honestly, I not really understand the solar business and a storm. So where sun go there for me to charge up the something. I don't know, I understand it, so I never buy. If you don't understand it, can make me know in the comments how it work, but rain. This not fall long, Rain not fall, guys. Rain. Anyways, this is the light. Rain start fall already. So how this work now? Well, on the rain. Alright guys, as you can hear, rain a fall. You hear that? Melissa this? Wonder if Melissa she this. Anyways, I buy this light. So probably this can use, it can stand up. But which part now if you turn it on? Hold on there. Which part if you turn it on, guys? I don't know. Oh! So it's bright, man. Light bright. And I can turn it down, I can turn it up. What? And I can do the things then. So I turn off. People see it, man. So I turn off this. So this bright enough, and I like that. I like how this bright enough. So what I go also do, it come with the charging something, so so I have light now. So I go and charge up the things them and the things them. So when light gone, because JPS she already announced say as like rainfall then go cut off the light, Them already announced that. So say you have to have your things them, you have to have a light, your power bank. Guys, don't use no candle. I would advise you to use no candle. Candle I don't like candle, So if you can buy up the things them, even though when you see the video here, a goodly before, a goodly after the storm, but if you can buy up the light, them and flashlight and something, I use no candle in a storm, in a hurricane. Yeah, I don't like candle. Anyways, yeah, so I have my light and I have my power bank, and say I have to get my bread. Cannot do without bread in this storm. Something about the bread. Cannot do without bread. Yeah, I get my nice warm bread. I have a little bit of bread left up there saying about that was done before. So I have to stack up back on the bread. I have food, so I'm good. I have food, that the greatest thing. I go, as me did I tell you, me take out the meat them, I go season them up. So I have them ready for cook. Yeah, that me I go do. So I'm prepared for the storm and all of that. I hope everybody else prepared for the storm. Guys, me know say from last night, me know say up at Portland and them place that they wash away. Me know say up at Portland and them place that they wash away. And Melissa not reach it. So imagine when she reach yes sir. And then the thing is, she takes slow. She every minute she slow down. So I don't know. Them say go probably turn out in a hurricane category. How much I add, but let's see. But guys, I am prepared, and I'm grateful. So I have things. I have food. I have the light and all of that. And I'm comfortable. I know say in this time, I know some people not comfortable because they don't have no food, they don't have no money for buying a light, they don't have nothing at all. Some people have to go get shelter and all of them things there. So I give thanks every day for so I have a roof over my head and grateful for life and all of them things because I know some people not have it. Them not have it none at all. So if you have it, even if you want more things in a life and you reach this yet, once you have life and you have shelter over your head and them things, give thanks because people out there not have it none at all. So you have to be grateful for the little things them in our life. Alright, so yeah. So let's see what this storm brings. Guys, I also went into a supermarket, but in the supermarket the things still up on the shelf. Yeah, things still up on the shelf. So I don't see nowhere where bread them run out or nothing like that. But I know say in another supermarket it's a possibility, but I just try one supermarket. Maybe go in a one like a Chinese man. Yeah. No say no supermarket, it things them run out. Yeah, that made it tell you no. Me remember if telling you say, yeah. Come they are looking at supermarket if you shelf them with a empty, but in that the supermarket they me not even remember if me see bread or nothing like that, but nothing never really, in other supermarket. But me know say in other supermarket, me know say shelf them empty. Alright guys, update. Today is Friday and it's getting serious. Yeah, it is getting serious because this storm is moving very slow. I know say when it moves so slow, it go turn in a hurricane. So we're not sure. Well, it's still a tropical storm, but it can turn into a major hurricane by now and tomorrow to Sunday, over a weekend till Friday. So all non-government places are gonna be closed at 2 p.m. today because me I check the updates. The Prime Minister posted all non-government places must be closed by 2 p.m. today. So say a serious something. Them list the shelters and the necessary places to call in the different parishes and all of that. So yeah, a serious thing. Me know say in the video, in the beginning of the video, me did say, me excited, me love when, them things are going, but it's serious, it get serious. Yeah, it really get serious, So we're just here tracking it. The rain on and off, sun won't shine, sun are going, it just, the weather just on and off. Yeah, so, just there, watch it and everything. As we say, me already prepared and everything, but it is getting serious. Yeah, it's getting really serious right now, so, yeah. Alright guys, update. It's now 10:43 and it's raining. This time still not coming. I don't know, I want to Melissa. but she just confusing. I mean, know every Jamaicans can test to this. She confusing bad. You don't know if she come or not, but she coming up. But she just slow and confusing. Anyways, rain a fall now, 10:43. I mean, know it not gonna fall long. Let's see. But it fall now. I have to run go outside a while ago to take up some clothes because my wash cause sun did a shine. But now the rain come down. My clothes them dry. I wash from yesterday. So yes, update. We still a watch weather. We still a listen out and thing. When we did say the place them are closed today, the non-essential government place them are closed 2 o'clock today. So you know say a serious business are going in Jamaica right now. Alright guys, 10:48 and sun a shine. We tell you say this weather, you know, this weather is very bipolar. Because I'm just telling this rain a fall a while ago, hard piece of rain, and now it's 10:48 and sun a shine. But Melissa, she's still a coming now. She still a come, but she make it with a bipolar. So I'll keep you guys updated. She not come yet, you know. She not come yet. But Mobile, the weather very bipolar. But me know say like Portland and them place there I wash away. And Melissa, she not come yet. So keep you guys posted. Alright guys, so after 11:04 rain start fall again. Me just keeping updated still. So 11:04 rain start fall. Storm not come yet. So just there I go and chill, you know? Yeah. So Mr. Girl. So from morning rain a drizzle, sun come out, rain a drizzle, sun come out. I mean I say no, but Melissa change her mind or something. And then all of a sudden, I say clouds are coming, dark clouds are coming. So I say, yeah, Melissa, come, because I kind of like hurricane, because I don't know, from childhood days, I don't know, it just did fun where we play hide and seek and like gone and woolly away around from one, whatever. So I say, all right, Melissa, ready to come now? So I drop asleep. I literally just woke up. I say, Melissa, where are you? I just came on the roof. No Melissa to be found. What you done? Oh, Melissa, where are you? But if it's the same Melissa, with me I know, and I see this. Kind of bipolar. Happy, sad, maybe a she. And then in the long run, we know what we know. But Melissa, but I like. Oh, Melissa, we're waiting on a joke.
Wait, what?
We're waiting on Melissa to arrive. I know I'm gonna see her. I never really want to go working, but I guess there's no Melissa.
I hope there is, so I can stay home with you.
Oh wow. Unless, well, they said she's coming on Sunday, Monday, so we'll see.
Girl.
Alright guys, so I just done season up meat. I just done season up meat. I cook some, season up, put in a freezer. I have some fish in a freezer as well, but I'm gonna make that still for tomorrow. Me season up that as well. But I'm gonna end out the video right here. We don't know where they're going with Melissa. We don't know where they're going. She just confusing, and she's slow. I know, so when she's slow, that more dangerous. Them say by now to next week it's gonna turn into a hurricane. So I hope everybody out there stay safe. Stay safe. If you have to evacuate, evacuate, and just stay safe, guys. Pray for Jamaica because this look dangerous. Yeah, it look really, it's serious. And then you just don't know what she up to. You don't know what this hurricane up to. Melissa, one tear. We don't know what she up to. We just there. I watch the updates. I watch what she they do and all of that. Them say she's strengthened, and it's gonna be a hit to Jamaica. So I go hurricane by now and into next week. So we just have to prepare yourself. When I have time, I not even know if I have time when I see that video. If I don't know if I have time for still I prepare up in yourself, because the Prime Minister just declared say Jamaica is a what if you say is a danger zone or some zone. I don't remember, but I'll put it on the screen. So yeah, him declare say that are going with Jamaica right now. Places are closed down, and we just there they wait and I see what they go on with this hurricane. So guys, hope everybody stay safe. All those who are overseas, pray for Jamaica, and just reach out to your loved ones. Make sure say everybody good and prepared for this hurricane, because it looks serious. It is serious. It is serious. It's serious wherein them a plan to close the airport. So it's serious, guys. Everywhere they lock down and all of them things is. Make sure you guys are safe. Make sure you have food. Make sure when the things them charge up. Make sure so you have water, drinking water, and store up water for when water gone. Cause water aga gone, light aga gone. So make sure the things them charge up. If you have kids, make sure your kids them gadgets them charge up. And still during the hurricane and everything, like in the daytime, like when light gone in the daytime, make sure you say the kids them still the little work, in between and all of that. But guys, stay safe. We don't know if this come to Jamaica. We don't know when light go come, when the light gone. We don't know when light go come back. We don't know when water go come back and all of them things there. All me have to say, stay safe, guys. This is me don't know when I go pick up back a camera. Me don't know when I go post again, but I will keep you guys updated. Just hope this a storm something I don't mash up Jamaica, because Beryl he did mash up Jamaica, and this look like say it go worse than Beryl. Hopefully do not damage, but stay safe, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at mini_Borel. And also drop in the comments and let me know if you are prepared for this storm, this hurricane. Just let me know in the comments below. As me say, stay safe, guys. Stay safe. If you have to evacuate, because that one is serious. Stay safe, guys. Later.